Hello and a warm welcome to Well This Week by latestlaws.com. This is a weekly program, so hit the bell icon to get notification for new videos. My name is Sheetal June, Associate Editor, latestlaws.com, and I will be taking you through the significant orders and judgments passed by various courts in the country and some important international news from this week. Let's begin with Supreme Court this week. The Supreme Court has set aside an impugned judgment by the Karnataka High Court holding that a property cannot be said to have any connection with the proceeds of the crime if acts constituting scheduled offence under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act were committed after the property was acquired. The Supreme Court has opined that the governor, being a symbolic head, cannot withhold action on bills passed by state legislature. It was expounded that the failure to take a call in keeping a bill duly passed for indeterminate period is a course of action inconsistent with the expression used in Article 200 of the Constitution. The top court also held that the Speaker can reconvene a sitting of a Vidhan Sabha session which has been adjourned but has not been prorogued. The Supreme Court has expressed reservations with its 2018 judgment on the Asian resurfacing case, which has ordered that there would be an automatic lifting of stay in all civil and criminal matters upon the expiry of a 6-month period. A bench of Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice Manoj Mishra referred the matter to a 5-judge constitution bench to re-examine the principle laid down in the judgment. The Supreme Court has refrained from granting anticipatory bail to a police officer who posed as the Chief Justice of Patna High Court on WhatsApp and on account of the seriousness and the gravity of the alleged offence and apparent non-cooperation by the petitioner. Action must be taken against any and all kind of hate speech, said the Supreme Court as it agreed to hear in February a clutch of petitions seeking to put in place a mechanism to curb hate speeches. Now let's have an overview of High Courts. The Kerala High Court has set aside an impugned judgment which held that a managing director of a company liable under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument, even though the company was found not guilty. The court noted that when it is found that the company has not committed the offence and it is acquitted, its directors are not liable to be convicted for the offences for which the company has been acquitted. The Allahabad High Court has expounded that if small disputes in a marriage are viewed as cruelty by court under divorce law, then many marriages would risk being dissolved even if there is no actual cruelty by either spouse. The bench, comprising of Justice Sumitra Dayal Singh and Justice Shiv Shankar Prasad, made the observation while directing the judicial separation of an estranged couple instead of directing allowing a petition for divorce. The Bombay High Court has emphasized that a rape survivor's testimony should not be dismissed based on delay, acknowledging the societal challenge people face in reporting sexual assaults. The court's remark came while rejecting a man's petition to overturn the sentence handed down by a trial court for the rape of his minor daughter under the POCSO Act. The Karnataka High Court has allowed a writ petition filed under Article 226 and 227 of the Constitution seeking certain reliefs and observed that despite giving sufficient opportunities to the workman, he did not produce any medical documents before the inquiry officer. The Gujarat High Court has dismissed a public interest litigation seeking a ban on the use of loudspeakers for azan or the Islamic call of prayers at mosques, terming the petition as wholly misconceived. A division bench of Chief Justice Sunita Agarwal and Justice Anirudh P. Mai also asked during the hearing if it was the petitioner's case that the noise of bells and gongs during Aarti at a temple is not heard outside. A tenant cannot dictate to the landlord how the property should be utilized, the High Court of Delhi has said, allowing a petition for one such landlord seeking eviction of the tenant. Moving on to international news this week. Cristiano Ronaldo has been named in a $1 billion class action lawsuit in the United States over his affiliation with the cryptocurrency exchange Binance. The former Manchester United forward and a multi-time Ballon d'Or winner released a CR7 range of non-fungible tokens (NFTs) in collaboration with Binance in November 2022. Russia's Supreme Court has ruled that LGBTQ activists should be designated as extremists in a move that representatives of gay and transgender people will fear lead to arrest and prosecutions. The top European court has ruled that public authorities in member states can prohibit employees from wearing signs of religious belief such as Islamic headscarf in the latest decision on the issue that has divided Europe for years. In the end, we have miscellaneous news. After representing the centre for over 3 years, Additional Solicitor General of India Balbir Singh resigned from the post. Balbir Singh had resigned as a senior partner at DSK Legal in 2015 to start counsel practice in Delhi before he was appointed as Additional Solicitor General. The Board of Control of Cricket in India, or BCCI, has dragged troubled EdTech company Byju's to the National Company Law Tribunal for non-payment of Rs 160 crore sponsorship money after the expiry of contract. While the payment has been due for more than 6 months now, Byju's is seeking to clear the amount. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. This is a weekly program, and to get more information, please check the description box, and for weekly updates, like and subscribe to our channel.